Hello everyone. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Carbit map on 800NK Advanced, because people ask me to make a tutorial how to connect your motorcycle to Wi-Fi because they had many attempts and they couldn't connect it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it today. First, you go to 800NK settings, turn the Wi-Fi on, yes, and he's gonna search for 5G hotspots that can be found. On your mobile device, on your phone, you're gonna see like this to turn it on or off. If you keep your finger on it, you're gonna open mobile hotspot settings. And you're gonna see network name, password, and band. On 2.4, if you refresh, 1 second, it's not gonna be able to see your phone on 2.4. You press on configure, and on band, you leave the net name, the password, everything as it is. But on the band, switch from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. And when you press save and refresh networks on the display of the motorcycle, you're gonna see your Wi-Fi connected. Connect to the phone, put the password C Q T Z number 7202. Press OK and press join. It's connecting. Connected. After you see it connected, go to the Carbit map and you're gonna see this do not remind again, agree, and now you have your map on your motorcycle display. Alright, this is how you get maps to use your navigation on the 800NK. Thanks for watching. It was a short video and see you in the next one. Bye.
Helmet on, we ride control. En la vida sin temor. Moto forever.